Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to make a baked lemon salmon today. So let's start. I'm gonna put this. I use butter. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this is a farm raised salmon. So I'm gonna put some, this is a lemon pepper. So I have a 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper. So I put that over here. And chop garlic. And half cup of unsalted butter. And I'm gonna put some parsley flakes. One tablespoon, and we're gonna mix it. For 15 minutes for this, because it's not thick. So I'm gonna cover it. If you like, just give it a thumbs up, and or if you want some recipe, I can put some link on it after I'm done with my website. And thank you so much for watching. Okay, so we'll let you know later on once it's done. So thank you very much, and keep safe everyone. Salmon. Thanks for watching, and I will post the recipe. So